गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन. सुप्रभात मुलांनो. टुडे इज ट्यूजडे 11th of August 2020. आज मंगळवार दिनांक 11 ऑगस्ट 2020. Thought for the day is: failure is the stepping stone to success. If a person fails once, he should not lose hope. We must observe the mistakes that led us to failure and try to overcome them. So, we should always regard failure as the first step or stepping stone to success. आजचा सुविचार: अपयश ही यशाची पहिली पायरी आहे. एखाद्या गोष्टीत आपणास अपयश आले तर खचून न जाता आपण त्यासाठी पुन्हा प्रयत्न केला पाहिजे. कष्ट करण्याची तयारी ठेवल्यास कोणतेही काम यशस्वी होते. इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ द डे. टुडे इज डेथ ॲनिव्हर्सरी ऑफ खुदीराम बोस 1908. Khudiram Bose was one of the youngest martyrs in India's struggle for independence. He was born on 3rd December 1889 in Midnapur district of West Bengal. After the death of his parents, his elder sister raised him. While studying, he read the song Vande Mataram composed by Bankim Chandra and a novel titled Anand Mat. It made a lasting impression on him. He made up his mind to free his country from the Britishers. He became a member of Yugantar, an organization of revolutionaries. He was arrested due to attempt of assassination of Judge King Ford. He was sentenced to death by hanging on 11th August 1908. आजचा दिनविशेष: क्रांतीवीर खुदीराम बोस यांचा स्मृतिदिन 1908. वयाच्या 18व्या वर्षी देशासाठी शहीद होणारे पहिले थोर क्रांतिकारक म्हणजेच खुदीराम बोस. त्यांचा जन्म 3 डिसेंबर 1889 साली बंगालमधील मिदनापूर येथे झाला. आईवडिलांच्या निधनानंतर त्यांच्या मोठ्या बहिणीने त्यांचा सांभाळ केला. 1903 साली ब्रिटिश सरकारने बंगाल प्रांताचे विभाजन करण्याचे निश्चित केले. सर्वसामान्य लोकांमध्ये नाराजीची तीव्र लाट पसरली. खुदीराम यांनाही हा निर्णय अन्यायकारक वाटला. देशासाठी काहीतरी करावे असे सारखे वाटू लागल्याने त्यांनी सशस्त्र क्रांतीचा मार्ग पत्करला. न्यायाधीश किंग्सफोर्डला मारण्याची जबाबदारी खुदीराम यांनी स्वीकारली. दिनांक 30 एप्रिल 1905 या दिवशी खुदीराम यांनी किंग्सफोर्ड यांच्या गाडीवर बॉम्ब फेकला, परंतु तो चुकून दुसऱ्याच एका गाडीवर पडला. त्या गाडीतील 2 युरोपियन महिला जागीच ठार झाल्या. दुसऱ्या दिवशी खुदीराम यांना अटक करून त्यांच्यावर खटला भरण्यात आला. खुदीराम यांना फाशीची शिक्षा ठोठावली. दिनांक 11 ऑगस्ट 1908 या दिवशी हातात गीता घेऊन धैर्याने आणि सस्मित मुद्रेने ते फासावर चढले. सशस्त्र क्रांतीत बॉम्बचा उपयोग करणारे खुदीराम हे पहिले क्रांतिकारक ठरले. व्हॅल्यू: पेट्रिऑटिझम. मूल्य: राष्ट्रभक्ती. जनरल नॉलेज. आर्मी ट्रेनिंग सेंटर्स इन महाराष्ट्र. सामान्य ज्ञान. महाराष्ट्रातील लष्करी शिक्षण देणाऱ्या संस्था: आर्म फोर्सेस मेडिकल कॉलेज पुणे, कॉलेज ऑफ मिलिटरी इंजिनिअरिंग पुणे, आर्मी कोर सेंटर अँड स्कूल अहमदनगर, नॅशनल डिफेन्स अकॅडमी पुणे. Now I am going to tell you a story of Khudiram Bose. An exhibition was held in Midnapur for the farmers in 1906. Many people had come to see the exhibition. Khudiram volunteered to distribute leaflets titled Sonar Bangla. This leaflet described how the Britishers were causing injustice and cruelty to Indians. People concentrated more on the leaflet than the exhibition. The Britishers tried to confiscate the leaflets, but Khudiram warned the soldiers, "You dare not touch me." But police still tried to snatch the leaflets from him. Khudiram punched that policeman and escaped in the crowd. Later, he was caught and prosecuted, but he was acquitted in absence of evidence. During the same period, Britishers had arrested many revolutionaries and prosecuted them. The court proceedings used to be conducted by a judge, Kingsford. He used to convict revolutionaries with a revengeful attitude and announce punishments with cruelty. The revolutionaries therefore decided to eliminate Kingsford. It was on 30th April 1908 that Kingsford and other officers with their families had assembled at Europe Club for a party. The two decided to attack their buggy with bombs. When the party was over, the first buggy came out. Khudiram thought that it was Kingsford's buggy and he threw a bomb. In a moment, the buggy was reduced to ashes. Khudiram and Praful Kumar took advantage of darkness and escaped. They were running throughout the night along the railway lines. Khudiram was caught, prosecuted, and sentenced to death. Khudiram said, "I am gladly accepting the punishment for the sake of independence of my country." Such a great revolutionary was executed on 11th of August 1908.